Hey hustlers, my name's Wesley and I'm here to bring you guys another video on how to resell your Pokemon bulk. So in this video, I'll give you guys my top 3 favorite places to source Pokemon bulk and then some secret sauce at the end. So make sure to stay tuned. If you guys aren't familiar with the term sourcing is just a word that's thrown around in the reselling community that's basically saying, how do you restock on inventory? That's basically the simple terms of what sourcing is. And I would say it's probably the hardest thing, especially when it comes to Pokemon bulk reselling. Like, how to source your Pokemon cards, because it's very competitive out there, and hopefully if you watch this video, I'll give you guys all my tips and tricks on how to do it. Alright, so the first place you can look to the source is eBay. eBay is the most popular platform for the Pokemon secondary market. If you look hard enough, you're bound to find a bulk price that fits within your price range and that you'd be happy to purchase, and you could probably flip for a good amount of profit. Now, what to look for and how to ask questions on like what's a good deal and what isn't a good deal and how not to scam, that's a topic for a different video that I'll go over in the future. But for now, we're just going to stick to my top 3 favorite places of where I source Pokemon bulk. So of course, one of the downsides with eBay is that it is very popular and a lot of people know about it. So it's going to be very competitive for you to find Pokemon bulk. And if there is a good listing, if you're not the first to bid on it, someone else will, and they'll scoop up that bargain and they'll probably flip it for a pretty good profit margin. So you have to be constantly looking, you have to be persistent, and eventually one day you'll find that listing and you'll pick it up. But it takes a lot of work and it is a lot of effort. Alright, so my second favorite place to source Pokemon cards are local Facebook groups. Facebook groups are flooded with Pokemon collectors who love opening packs but don't necessarily have the time to sell their common and uncommon cards. And that's where you swoop in, where you offer them a deal to buy all their bulk. It's a win-win for everyone because you get inventory and they get cash to supply their addiction. Alright, my third favorite place, and I think this is a hidden gem honestly, is Mercari. In the past, I have found some amazing deals on Mercari bulk. Like I think I've bought a pack of someone's bulk for maybe like 1 cent each per card, and that is insane honestly. If you ask me why Mercari has better deals, I have no idea. Those sellers on Mercari, I'm gonna tell you, they're just built different. Like some people in Mercari will sell for outrageous prices, and some people will just be like, hey, I have these common cards, I just want to get rid of them, 1 cent each. Like 1 cent each, yo, I'm hopping on that train every single time. Mercari is probably one of my favorite ones to use, to be honest. Alright, so now that the people that are looking for free chicken tendy information are gone, I'm gonna give you guys my secret sauce. I won't spoon feed you guys the answers, but I'll kind of guide you guys down the right path. So as like I said, acquiring bulk is highly competitive. But there are so many ways that you can get bulk that aren't limited to just what I mentioned in this video. So I challenge you as a Pokemon bulk reseller to find your own unique and creative solution of how to source Pokemon bulk. The crazier the idea and the more unique the idea, the better it is, because that means less competition. Because if I'm telling you guys all this information, then you bet someone else is already on those eBay listings, looking at them every single day, waiting and hiding in the bushes to pounce on that new listing that's a bargain deal on bulk. You can also bet 100% that there is someone already in those Facebook groups messaging people, hey, these are my rates for Pokemon bulk. So how do you set yourself apart from them? That is something for you to figure out, and something that I'm trying to guide you all guys on the right path on, right? That there is not one way to source Pokemon bulk. There are multiple ways to do it. And you guys need to think about it and find your own creative way of doing it. If you're able to do that, you will be able to source bulk that other people can't do. And it'll be a lot easier and it'll be consistent. And that, my friends, is a time saver. I'm just going to leave the video at that. I know you guys are smart. You guys watch my videos. You guys are very savvy, very smart. You guys will find a way eventually if you guys just think about it long enough and hard enough. And if there's anything you guys need or want me to answer, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll get to it eventually. But for next week, I'm starting my TCG Player series. Hands down, no questions asked. Because everyone is super interested in selling on TCG Player for some reason. So I got to get started on that. And if you haven't already, make sure to go smash that like button, subscribe, and as always, good luck selling and happy hustling, guys. Later.